The Greatest Animal Predation Feats Part 15. Uploaded to the Getty Images website on the 24th of September 2021, Alex Dissanayake captured an incredible scene within the borders of the Kruger National Park in South Africa. It presents a large male lion lounging unconcernedly beside its grand prize, the carcass of a cow-Cape buffalo. From the image, it seems as if the moment was documented right after the lion had made its solo hunt, as there does not seem to be any evidence of it feeding. Then again, the lion may have just preferred to relish the idea of feasting upon the bovid's flesh, deciding to recover its strength or allow the meat to spoil slightly before feasting. After all, he had it all to himself, and few creatures would dare approach for even the most insignificant morsel.